Alright, and welcome. This is going to be the lesson on System Restore. In this lesson we'll show you how to verify that the System Restore is set up and working, how to create a System Restore point, and then finally how to restore to a previous System Restore. So to verify that it's on, go to your My Computer icon, right click on it, go to Properties, go to the System Restore tab. Notice that this says Turn Off System Restore. So you don't want to check that. That should be unchecked. The disk space that this can use, it allocates 12% max. That is good. We want it to be at the max amount. If you had to make any changes here, then you would hit apply. Ours is already set up, and most of them are generally set up by default that way. Now let's go to the System Restore program. Go to Start, Programs, Accessories, System Tools, System Restore. To create a restore point, that's kind of self-explanatory, but create a restore point. Next, I usually name it the day. Today is the 25th, and I have already done a System Restore point today, testing earlier. As a matter of fact, I've done a few, so we're going to go with the letter C after that, just to clarify. Hit the Create down in the bottom right, waiting for it to finish. It's all set. Okay, so we've created this base standard restore point. Now to show you what this can do, I'm going to add a program. I have already downloaded the program. Whoops, don't do that. Downloads. And I've got a YouTube downloader I downloaded earlier. I'll go ahead and run this program. Next. Of course, I agree. We'll put it there. In good shape, blah blah blah. Alright, I don't even really want to start this thing. I don't really care about this program. It's going to start anyhow. Beautiful. Alright, closing out that. Alright, so here is the new program, the YouTube downloader. Was not there earlier. So here's a program that has been changed. System Restore will restore your program files, your Windows directory back to the restore point. So if I did a Windows update, added a program, these things all get changed back, undone. But it leaves your data in there. I'm going to create a Word document just to kind of prove my point here. Alright. System Restore Test. And we'll save this to the desktop so it will be easy to see. We won't have to change anything. And there it is right there. Go ahead and close out of this. And now I'm going to create another System Restore. We will do 6, 25, 11, and this one will be D. Create. Give it a minute. Get back to home. Now we'll do a restore. Do a series of restores here, just to show how this works. Next, and then these are the restore points I've created today. The C and the D are the ones that I've done here recently. The C, when we go to do this restore, if all goes as planned, click on this, go through next. This will take away the YouTube downloader but leave my system restore document. I'm going to have to hit pause here because the system restore does do a reboot to do the restore. So I will hit pause, and when it comes back up on the other side, we'll start it up and show you. Alright, welcome back. We've done the system restore. Just so you know, for the process of the system restore, you would select that, hit next, and the system does a shutdown. During the shutdown process, it logs you off your normal Windows desktop like a normal shutdown, but then a Windows System Restore box opens up, and it just says, gives you a progress bar saying that it's restoring to a restoring Windows. You'll notice on the left here we've got the Word document, but there is no YouTube downloader. Still the same document there. We're in good shape. Kind of what we expected there. And just so you know, I am on the up and up. We'll open a Windows Restore, and you will see after the restore it does a restore operation, so you can actually undo your restore and go back to where it was before you did the system restore. So why is this a useful tool for you in the future? Obviously, hopefully right now everybody's computer's running fine. You do a system restore point, you've got a point in time where your computer's running great. 1 month from now, so you've downloaded some Windows updates, maybe installed a printer, any other numerous things that happen with a computer, but boy, it starts slowing way down. You don't know what to do. You don't really see anywhere to go. This is a quick, easy way to just restore back without losing much of your settings or anything like that, and get you back up and running. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and do one more restore here. This D1 was after we did the YouTube downloader. So I will go ahead and do a restore to this point. It'll come back up, and we'll probably have our YouTube downloader back. But again, I'm going to have to pause the video and see you on the flip side. Okay, back up after the second restore, and you'll see we've got the YouTube downloader back on our system. We'll go back to the restore, and should see even another restore operation. Alright, another thought on the restore. Some of you may be thinking, oh, this will be a great tool also to help you maybe fight viruses or malware or anything junky like that. In my experience, it can sometimes help and sometimes not. There are some good, hard-working virus creators that know what they're doing. They also know about this Windows restore point, and they infect the Windows restore point as well. And like any profession, you've got your lazy virus malware writers, and they don't really take the time to mess up your system restore point. So, sometimes you get lucky, sometimes you don't, but for the ease of doing a Windows system restore, it's a great thing to set up. It can help you in numerous spots, get out of a jam pretty quick and easy. So this is one of the good tools out there. So go ahead and set it up on your machine. I would recommend, go ahead and manually creating a Windows restore point once a month. It'll be worth it in the end. The ones, as you'll see here, like here is a previous Windows restore that the system created. I've never had luck with those. I've only had luck with the ones that I manually create. So go ahead and make a habit out of manually creating it. I'll add it to the checklist of things to do, and that is Windows System Restore. Definitely use it. Alright, we'll move on to the next one. Thanks.